Welcome to Aerovie for the Apple Watch. Aerovie's watch app is designed to be a companion to your Aerovie iPhone application, allowing you to take a quick glance at weather and information useful to your current location and plan route of flight. When opening the Aerovie watch app for the very first time after installation, the watch app must download some session information from your iPhone. In some cases, watch-to-phone communication can fail and require either a restart of the watch app or a restart of the Aerovie iPhone application. This will only be necessary one time, so if you receive an error, just try again. In some rare cases, a reinstallation of Aerovie on the watch may be necessary from your iPhone Watch utility tool. We hope Apple will improve the installation process in further releases. Aerovie for the watch has two components, the app itself and the complications or widgets for your watch face. We will first focus on using Aerovie watch app. This is what the Aerovie watch app may look like when opening for the first time. The app is split up into a series of pages with different features on each. To view the various pages of the watch app, simply swipe to the left and right. We will talk about each feature shortly, but let's swipe through the list. Flight control view, radar view, instruments view, departure airport view, destination airport view, and nearby airports view. To customize the order in which views are available, simply deep press or hold down strongly on the watch app on any view and tap Settings. To customize the page order, simply tap Reset and tap the features in the order you would like them to be available on your watch app. When done, press back in the upper left corner. Let's talk about the flight control view. The Aerovie app on the iPhone can be used as a portable TOS and awareness tool by connecting the headset adapter to an aviation headset, avionics input, or connecting via Bluetooth. This requires the Aerovie iPhone app to run temporarily in the background, and enabling the flight timer is the method we use to determine if you're beginning a flight. Enabling it on the ground will give you runway surface awareness before your flight, such as approaching or entering a runway. When first launching this view, you may notice the timer color is yellow. Yellow indicates the state information from the iPhone has not been received. When the timer turns to a red color, this indicates the timer is stopped and confirmation was received from the iPhone app. When the timer is green, this indicates the timer is started and confirmed with the iPhone app. To start the timer, simply press Start Flight or tap on the timer itself. You may notice the color will temporarily turn to yellow to indicate a pending network communication with the phone. If it remains yellow, you may have a temporary network communication error to your phone. If you've connected your iPhone to your headset or Bluetooth, we recommend using the Test Speaker button to confirm your headset connection is working and the volume is acceptable. Test Speaker performs a systems check on your iPhone for an active flight timer and systems are operating normally, such as quality of GPS. Once the timer is started on the watch, your watch will also begin monitoring your heart rate, and you should soon see the current heart rate listed in the upper right corner. We will alert you via notification and audible alert of a high heart rate over 120 beats per minute. This can be customized in the settings area of the Aerovie iPhone app for individual fitness level. You may manually stop a flight by pressing the Stop Flight button, or this will also happen automatically once your GPS speed is below your flying threshold. If you swipe up on the flight control view, you will notice two more features. Landing Briefing will manually engage the landing briefing recording for your destination airport over your headset. The Checklist button allows you to play and use checklists set up from your iPhone. Let's swipe over and take a look at the radar view. Aerovie will periodically update the current radar imagery based on your current location. Use the digital crown to flip through various zoom levels to see radar imagery at your current location. You should notice the date and time of when the radar product is valid at the top of the screen. Swiping once more reveals the watch instrument view. Aerovie will use the GPS from your phone or watch to show the most current position, track, speed, and ETA. The watch instrument face features two instruments which can be changed. To change an instrument, just tap on it and select the instrument you would like to see. Swiping once more reveals the departure airport based on the flight plan from your iPhone. A thumbnail image appears at the top, and using the digital crown or swiping down reveals common frequencies and information for this airport. If we deep press or press hard on the screen, we can toggle to weather information. The current METAR, TAF, and TAF discussions are available. Swiping again will reveal the same information presented for your destination airport. Finally, swiping again reveals nearby airports, the current weather conditions, IFR, marginal VFR, low IFR, etc. Now let's take a look at one of the most useful Aerovie watch features, complications. Let's tap on the digital crown a couple of times to reveal the default watch face. In watchOS 3, you can swipe left and right to change watch faces. While Aerovie supports complications on many of the watch faces, we highly recommend the modular watch face for the best information. To add Aerovie to a watch face, deep or hard press on the watch face. Now tap Customize. You may swipe left and right to edit the color and complications of the watch face. Now let's tap the middle section and rotate the digital crown to Aerovie. Now to save, simply deep or hard press once more and tap lightly back on the watch face. Aerovie will update the current weather conditions of the nearest major airport and will report when weather conditions will next change for the better or worse. It may take just a few moments for the weather to update, and in some cases can take up to 30 minutes as you change locations for the complication to be updated with the latest information. We've enabled time travel as well. Rotating the digital crown will reveal the weather conditions at the moment in time from the TAF or GFS MOS. We may also edit complications from the Watch app on the iPhone. From your iPhone, find the Watch app. Now let's find the modular watch face under My Faces. Tap on Middle under Complications, and now select Aerovie. While we're in the Watch app, we must also turn on time travel. To do this, tap back to the main Watch app screen and find Clock. About halfway down, you will see the option to enable time travel. We hope you've enjoyed a look at Aerovie for the Apple Watch. As always, your feedback is very welcome. Contact us anytime at aero_info@aerovie.com. Thank you.